Hey guys, in today's video I want to show you how to split some firewood with an axe. It's pretty easy, and this is a great way to save money if you're going to heat your house or your shop with some fire. All you're going to have to do is take your axe, and your goal is to try to hit right here on the edge, because that way it'll go ahead and drive through. If you hit in the middle, it might get stuck, or if you hit on the other side, it might get stuck and it might even hit your handle. So what you're going to try to do, again, is try to hit full force right here on the edge, and it's going to give us a nice clean split. So guys, I recommend some type of eye protection, and then you can go ahead, make sure you're comfortable, kind of have feet shoulder width apart. You're going to take your axe and you're going to do it in like a circle motion, coming back down with some momentum. You're going to let your hands slide and try to get as much force as you can to go down. And again, you're going to try to hit the edge right here the best you can. So let's see what happens. So again, you want to hit the edge of the log and split it into a few pieces, and once you have made it smaller, then you can hit it right in the middle, and you will determine the size based on your fireplace or your stove. And here is a little bit closer view of what I was talking about. So this is what I'm going for, this kind of nice piece right here. Has a little bit of edge on it, but it's nice and smooth and has split pretty well. Easily can go into our fireplace or even our outdoor fireplace right here, whichever one we want to do, but this is kind of the goal you're going for. One thing to watch out for is little knots like this where limbs were. You want to be careful of this. It's going to be really hard to split it with this knot. You're able a little bit to kind of split right here, but if you get a knot like that, you want to try to work your way around that and not try to go after that, because that's going to be really hard to split.
I do different.
So our kids love a fire, and they're excited about the opportunity to make some s'mores. They told me they'd even help me stack the wood. So once you have split your firewood, you'll need to make sure you pile it up and try to keep it dry. If you're able, you can build something to keep it in or cover it. That's even better. Also, it needs to season, so you need to make sure it stays outside for a few weeks before you use it if possible. If this video is helpful, you can let me know that. You can like and subscribe. You can also check out another video here, and I'll see you over there.